Hi everyone, my name is Vicky Shah and welcome to my course Website Creation for Beginners. Let's get started. Today we are going to talk about iFrame in HTML. Well, iFrame is an amazing feature that helps you to display a different website or a different web page on your own website or on a web page on your site. How does the code look like? In the body tag, you will add the iFrame tag. The iFrame tag should start with iFrame and then src equal to, and then you should add the link of the other site or the other web page that you want to display here. And this should be in quotations. Well, this was the opening tag, and then there should be a space, and then there should be the closing tag, which should start with /iframe. You should not add anything in between the opening and the closing tag. The other website that has to be displayed or the other web page that has to be displayed should be here between the src tag. Well, let's go ahead and test this out practically and see how does this show up. So I've opened Notepad++. Let's go ahead and write the HTML code. If you want to write, you can write the entire code. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to my website wikishah.me/sample-html-code, and you can copy the sample code from here. So I'll copy the sample code from here, which makes our life easy. Let's edit the title, iFrame in HTML, and within the body section I will add the iFrame tag. So iFrame src equals to, and then we should have the website in quotations. So within src in quotations I will write the link, or I'll give the link for my website. Okay, and then I'll close the iFrame/iFrame. So I'll write the closing tag for iFrame. We'll save it on the desktop. We had created a HTML course folder. Let's save it there. iFrame.html. Okay, so I've saved it. Open that file that we just saved into a folder. I've opened the folder. Let's open this file using a browser. Open with Google Chrome. Perfect. So take a look. Here's the iFrame. Within the iFrame, my website is open. So this is the actual web page that we created, which started with iFrame.html, and then within this box there's a different website that is open, which is my own website, wikishah.me. We can give the page a header. H1. Let's close it. /h1. Let's give the header as opening wikishah.me in iFrame. Okay. Alright, so take a look. On the top we have the header opening wikishah.me in iFrame, and then there's a small iFrame wherein we have opened the website wikishah.me. Now what we can do is, within the opening iFrame tag we can actually define the height and the width of the iFrame as well. Let's try that out. Height equals to, and then within braces we can define the height. Let's put the height as 500. Let's save it. Let's see if there's a change here. Okay, take a look on the left. The size of the iFrame has changed. Similar to this, what we can do is we can also add the width of our iFrame. Width equals to, and within braces we can add a size. Let's put it as 500. So if you're entering 500, this is the size of the pixel. Alright, take a look. The size of the iFrame has changed. Well, I've added a different website here. Instead of a different website, you can also display a local page. What do I mean by the local page? We had created different pages in HTML, right? So if I want, I can display a different page that we had created earlier. For example, we had learned HTML header, right? And the name of this page was html-header.html. Now, if I refresh this page, instead of wikishah.me, it will open the old HTML page that we had created. Well, that is it. It's an amazing feature. Using an iFrame, you can open a different web page or a different website on your website or on your web page. That's about it about iFrames. See you all in the next video. If you have any questions or doubts, please go ahead and put that in the comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Take care. Bye bye.